that you're keeping on your radar today and the ones that we need to watch out for in today's trading session?
Following the suit of what Jio yesterday did, where they withdrew their 1 GB per day plans, now even Bharti Airtel has started withdrawing its 1 GB per day plans as well, of the minimum rate starting at 245. It's likely that Vodafone Idea would also likely to follow this suit, and some changes or the migration to subscribers can happen to BSNL as well. Now, up next, Nazara Tech regulation of gaming bill is likely to be placed today in the Lok Sabha today, and stricter rules are expected to kick in, which would cause adverse impact on the stock, which we saw yesterday's trading session as well. Delta Corp would be positive as it has a little or minimal exposure in the online gaming space, and it has a large presence in casino and the realty space. The stock yesterday jumped up almost 11% in the trade as well. Today also it might be buzzing on the positive news flow. Reliance, a neutral impact expected as adverse comments were coming in from Bressent on purchase of Russian crude oil. And also lastly, HAL and defense stocks would be in focus as government has declared a deal worth rupees 62,000 crore rupees to acquire 97 Tejas Mk1A fighter jets for the Indian Air Force, and the focus would be coming in for the indigenous manufacturers.
All right, so those were the stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. But my colleague Ashesha is also standing by with the other stocks that you could be keeping on your radar. Ashesha, take us through all the stocks that will be in focus today.
Well, yes, first up, let's talk about a whole host of textile stocks that will be in focus. Remember, we told you yesterday, and now it is a news break confirmed, where the government of India has gone ahead and exempted import duty on import of cotton, which was earlier at 11%. This has been reduced to 0% now. This will be applicable till the 30th of September. So good news coming in for textile companies, cotton being their major raw material, and all of these textile stocks will be in focus today. Let's also put the spotlight on the aviation sector and Interglobe Aviation in particular, and this is because India and China have agreed for resumption of flights, direct flights that is. This is after the meeting that took place yesterday between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chinese leaders. On the back of this, we have some positive news flow coming in for the aviation sector. Meanwhile, Ultratech Cement, Kumar Mangalam Birla, chairperson of the group, has come out with his commentary, and for Ultratech Cement, they are saying that they are on track to achieve their capacity of 200 MTPA by the end of this fiscal year itself, and this is 1 year ahead of their guidance. Remember, their earlier guidance was FY27 to achieve that 200 MTPA capacity addition mark, and now it has been achieved 1 year prior. SRF, meanwhile, the company has announced a partnership with a global company. This is to bring to strengthen supply of high quality products into India. So good news coming in, and SRF will also be in focus on the back of that. Lastly, Endurance Tech. Now this is on the back of their capacity expansion plans, where the company said that they have approved capacity expansion for ABS, disc brake systems and brake discs for an investment of about 136 odd crores. So some expansion plans coming in. Endurance Tech in focus on the back of that.
All right, thank you, Ashesha, for taking us through all the stocks that we need to keep on our radar today. But let's shift focus